Hello, everybody. Today we will be solving problem 4 of the 2021 AIME II. The problem reads, there are real numbers a, b, c, and d such that -20 is a root of x cubed plus ax plus b, and -21 is a root of x cubed plus cx squared plus d. The two polynomials share a complex root m plus square root of n I, where m and n are positive integers, and I is square root of -1. Find m plus n. Okay, so before I do anything, I will take a moment to briefly review Vieta's formulas for a cubic equation. So if you have x cubed minus px squared plus qx minus r, then p is the sum of the roots. Q is the second symmetric sum. So if the roots are u, v, and w, if the roots are u, v, and w, this would be u, v plus v, w plus u, w, and r is the product. Okay, and also the thing to note is that if the coefficients of a polynomial are, if they're real and one of the roots is a complex number z, then another root of the polynomial would be the conjugate of z. So in this case, if you've got a polynomial with a root m plus square root of ni, then another root of that polynomial must be m minus square root of ni. Okay, so now we have that -20 is a root of x cubed plus ax plus b, and -21 is a root of x cubed plus cx squared plus d. We're given that they share we're given that they share this root m plus root ni, and since all of their coefficients are real, they also share the root m minus square root of ni. Okay. Now in this first polynomial, the coefficient of the x squared term is 0, which means that the sum of the roots is 0. And that means that m plus square root of ni plus m minus square root of ni plus -20 equals 0. And from that, we can get 2m minus 20 equals 0, or m equals 10. Okay, the fact that x cubed plus the x squared plus d, the coefficient of that, the x term, the linear term, is 0, which means that the second symmetric sum of the roots is 0. So m plus square root of ni times m minus square root of ni plus m plus square root of ni times -21 plus m minus square root of ni times -21 equals 0. And multiplying this out, we end up with m squared plus n plus -21 times m plus ni plus m minus ni, m plus root ni plus m minus root n. Sorry, I misspoke back there. equals to 0, or since m is 10, 100 plus n minus 21 times 2m, 2 times 10, equals 0. So n equals 21 times 20 minus 100 equals 320. Finally, the sum m plus n is equal to 10 plus 320, which is 330. So our answer is 330. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.